Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best science kits is probably one of the most exciting and educational ways to spark a child's curiosity and foster a lifelong love for learning, offering hands-on experiences that transform complex scientific concepts into tangible, engaging activities, ultimately providing a fun and interactive platform for young minds to explore the wonders of the universe right from their own homes. Number 5. National Geographic Earth Science Kit. Discover over 100 exciting science experiments and activities designed for curious young minds. This kit is packed with fun, hands-on projects. Dive into amazing projects like growing your own crystals, building an erupting volcano, and exploring a rock collection. It's a journey through geology and more. With enough activities for everyone, this science lab is perfect for sharing with friends and family. Experience the magic of learning together. Our detailed learning guide makes understanding the science easy and engaging. It helps children develop a lasting appreciation for earth sciences. Follow clear, simple instructions that build confidence and encourage exploration. Focus on the fun of discovery without any hassle. We provide high-quality, educational toys that inspire. We stand by our products and are here to ensure you have a stellar experience. What we like. This kit offers a vast array of experiments, making it perfect for young explorers who want to delve deep into earth science. If you're looking for a comprehensive introduction to geology and chemistry with plenty of hands-on activities, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The kit includes everything needed for the experiments, with clear instructions. My child was engaged for hours building and experimenting with the volcano. The science concepts are explained in a way that's easy for kids to understand. Number 4. Klutz Book of Paper Airplanes. Introducing the Klutz Book of Paper Airplanes, your ultimate guide to crafting incredible flying machines. Follow our simple step-by-step instructions to create a fleet of amazing paper airplanes that are ready for takeoff. This kit comes with 40 sheets of specially designed, flight-tested paper, ensuring optimal performance for every fold. The paper features vibrant, colorful patterns printed on both sides, adding a unique flair to each airplane you build. It's never been easier to get started. Just fold and launch your creations for hours of aerodynamic fun. What we like. This kit is ideal for budding engineers and aspiring pilots who love hands-on crafting. If you enjoy creative projects and want to learn the principles of aerodynamics through fun, tangible activities, this is the perfect pick. What people say. This is a great starter kit for young scientists. It includes everything you need to perform several experiments, and the instructions are clear and easy to follow. My kids loved this science kit. They were engaged for hours, and I loved that they were learning while having fun. The experiments were simple enough for them to do with minimal supervision, but complex enough to be interesting. The quality of the materials in this kit is excellent. The beakers and test tubes are made of sturdy plastic, and the chemicals are safe and non-toxic. It's a great value for the price. Number 3. UNGLINGA 70 Lab Experiment Science Kit. Ignite your child's curiosity with this versatile science kit. It offers hours of engaging exploration, perfect for sharing with friends and family. Watch them think critically and solve problems like a real scientist. Discover a world of discovery with 70 amazing experiments. They can build a volcano, grow crystals, create fruit circuits, and witness incredible chemical reactions. Each activity is designed for maximum fun and ease of execution. Our easy-to-follow manual features clear illustrations for every step. It provides fascinating insights into the science behind each experiment, helping your child develop a lasting appreciation for scientific concepts. This kit encourages learning through doing, covering fundamental chemistry and safe experimentation. It fosters a solid understanding of basic scientific principles in a fun and interactive way. UNGLINGA provides high-quality educational toys that are incredibly fun. All included materials are safe and child-friendly, ensuring a worry-free experience for parents and exciting discoveries for kids. What we like. With a massive 70 experiments, this kit is designed for kids who love to tinker and discover. If you're seeking a broad STEM education that covers chemistry, physics, and more, with plenty of opportunities for problem solving, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This is a fantastic educational toy that makes learning about science fun and engaging for children. The kit includes a variety of experiments that are easy to follow and provide hands-on experience with scientific principles. My child was fascinated by the detailed explanations and the clear instructions, which helped them understand complex concepts. Number 2. National Geographic Gross Science Kit. Get ready for some seriously slimy fun. This kit is packed with experiments that are as gross as they are entertaining. You'll create boiling boogers, glowing worms, and even make things vomit. Don't worry about complicated steps. Our guide features kid-friendly instructions with clear illustrations for every experiment. You'll also learn the fascinating science behind all the yucky fun. The excitement doesn't stop there. Inside, you'll find a bonus booklet with 30 additional experiments using items you already have at home. It's an endless supply of scientific discovery. While you're having a blast with these gooey experiments, you'll actually be learning about polymers, chemical reactions, and pH science. It's a fantastic way to explore STEM concepts. We believe in creating top-notch, hands-on science toys that provide an unforgettable learning experience. We're committed to exceptional service, so you can be sure this is a great educational gift. What we like. This kit is all about the you factor, making science incredibly engaging for kids who love the weird and wacky. If you want to capture your child's attention with unforgettable, slightly disgusting experiments that still teach valuable science concepts, this is the one to get. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary components for conducting experiments, making it convenient for users. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, allowing for successful completion of experiments. The educational value of the kit is high, as it teaches fundamental scientific principles in an engaging way. Number 1. National Geographic Ultimate Volcano Kit. Get ready for an eruption like never before. This science kit is packed with extra eruption powder for 3 times the fun. Plus, exciting pop crystals add a thrilling sound to every eruption. Create a realistic volcano with the updated mold and easy-to-follow instructions. Lifelike paint colors bring your geological masterpiece to life, making it perfect for any science fair. Discover genuine volcanic rocks, including pumice and a geode. Our learning guide will teach you all about these fascinating specimens and the science behind volcanoes. This classic STEM project is a fantastic way to learn about chemistry, geology, and earth science. The reusable mold and guide offer endless eruption possibilities with household items. From an award-winning toy developer, this kit is designed to spark education, imagination, and creativity. We ensure a stellar experience with dedicated US support. What we like. This kit is designed for maximum volcanic excitement, offering more eruptions and auditory fun. If you're looking for a classic, high-impact science experiment that's easy to set up and provides thrilling results, this is the ultimate choice for a memorable homeschool or science fair project. What people say. The product is great for kids and they love it. This is a fantastic toy for children. The toy is very engaging and educational for kids. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.